everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a smoothie, the vegetable and fruit for dinner. This is my dinner tonight, so get healthy. I have the beets, then I have ginger, celery, orange juice, lime, pineapple, apple, cantaloupe. I got everything, and I got watermelon. So I got everything. I'm gonna show you how to do this, guys. It's so healthy and delicious for dinner tonight. Healthy. I want to share with you, if you're going by South Block in the DMV, they have South Block company and to make juice, right? So expensive, guys. I believe like 16 ounce, $8, $9, $10. So you better make on your own to be healthy. Get everything together. They're not too expensive. If you go to Asian market, you can buy fruit and vegetable very cheap. Okay, don't go into Giant or American market. Don't go because too expensive. You go to Asian market, you go Latte, Great Wall, or any Asian market is cheaper. So let's go started. Healthy. Don't buy too expensive. You make at home is better. Okay, I got my blender. You can get any kind of blender because I got a BrandTech. BrandTech is very good blender. You can use any one. It doesn't matter. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put pineapple. Two. Watermelon, 1 piece. Green apple, 2 pieces. And cantaloupe, 1 big piece cantaloupe. Just that. Then got everything in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put celery. You can put how much you want, any your flavor. Go ahead. Celery, 2 beets. You know, I prepare everything already. 2 beets. I'm gonna go ahead. 1 big piece ginger, guys. 1 big piece ginger. What else? I got so many fruit in here because I prepare. Okay, I got red apple too. Green apple and red apple. Just everything sorted down. I'm gonna show you how to get more taste in here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and juice lime in here. You know, when you put lime, it's make the drink a good taste. I'm gonna put 2 lime in here. This is, I call one piece right here. Then another half. I like my drink good sour, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 lime in here. Then I'm gonna go ahead put orange juice. Orange. Everything prepared already. All I have to do, just squeeze, guys. See that? That's a half. Another half. That's 1 orange. Another half. That's 1.5 orange. So 2 orange, guys. You know, do how much you want, okay? Because you make at home, no limit. You put all kind of good fruits in here. Okay, that's the 2 orange already. I think that's it. So everything in right now. This is how they look for this is my dinner. And I have leftover. You can choose over and over next day and next day until you finish. But this is what I committed to myself, to eat dinner with fruit juice. So that's how to do it. Okay, let's go start. The guy going blend it and drink this, make you feel good, your body feeling good, and you don't need any happy in your stomach. Don't eat. You can eat once a day at lunchtime. Eat anything you want. This is my opinion. And then when the dinner time coming, I'm gonna go ahead and choose this. And when you go sleep, your stomach very light and feeling good. That's what I do every day. Okay, let's go get this done. This sea salt, this is my taste. I just add a little bit sea salt in there, guys. A little bit. That's it. To make a good taste, you have to use sea salt because this good. They are good taste. Okay, let's get it done. All right. Done. Looking good, right? Okay. Look yum. Okay, everyone, this is how I do it. If you guys try it, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I can show you how to drink healthy and no dinner at night time. This is how you do it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.